Hello everyone, today I'm going to share 14 of the best budget car accessories under $10 on Amazon. All the product links are in the video description below. Enjoy the video. The Polidiki car cleaning gel is a versatile tool designed to clean hard-to-reach areas in your vehicle, such as air vents, steering wheels, console panels, storage bins, cup holders, door handles, and dashboards. This reusable gel effectively picks up dust, crumbs, and debris, leaving your car interior looking fresh and clean. The gel is made from natural materials, is safe for your car, and has a pleasant lavender scent. Additionally, this gel can be used to clean keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and furniture, making it a versatile cleaning solution for both your car and home. The Hotor car trash can with lid and storage pockets is a versatile solution for maintaining a clean and organized vehicle interior. With a 2-gallon capacity, it offers ample space for waste disposal during long trips. The adjustable strap allows for easy attachment to the front or back headrests, as well as the center console, ensuring convenient access from all areas of the car. Its collapsible design enables efficient storage when not in use. The trash can features 4 magnetic snaps inside, facilitating the secure fastening of an extra trash bag, making replacements quick and hassle-free. Beyond serving as a trash receptacle, it can also function as a storage bag for items like cups, toys, and other accessories, enhancing its multifunctionality. The Faraday key fob protector is designed to block RFID signals, preventing car thieves from hacking your key fob. Made with double-layer shielding, it effectively stops remote access and prevents relay attacks, keeping your vehicle safe. The pouch is compact, durable, and easy to carry, fitting most key fobs while providing full signal blocking. Simply place your key inside, close the pouch, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your car is protected. Ideal for home use or travel, this anti-theft solution ensures secure key storage anytime, anywhere. The magnetic sunglass holder for car visor is a practical accessory designed to keep your sunglasses secure and easily accessible while driving. Its strong magnetic closure ensures that your glasses stay in place, even during sudden stops or bumps. The holder is made from high-quality materials, providing durability and a sleek appearance that complements your vehicle's interior. Installation is straightforward. Simply clip it onto your car's sun visor for immediate use. This holder is compatible with various sunglasses and eyeglasses, making it a versatile addition to your car accessories. This soft seatbelt cover is designed for a more comfortable driving experience. Made from gentle and durable material, it easily attaches to any seatbelt using a secure Velcro strap, providing extra cushion and reducing irritation from harsh contact. This 2-piece set fits all types of cars and can even be used on backpacks or other straps. Easy to install without tools, it helps minimize neck and shoulder discomfort during long drives. Upgrade your ride with this affordable, versatile accessory for a smoother and safer journey. This 3-piece clip removal tool set is perfect for safely removing clips, fasteners, and trim from your car without causing damage. Made from durable, high-quality materials, these pliers provide a firm grip and easy handling, making them ideal for automotive repairs and DIY projects. The set includes different sizes for various clip types, offering versatility and convenience. Whether you're working on your car, truck, or other vehicles, this tool set is a must-have for efficient and damage-free removal. Protect and enhance your car's interior with this universal microfiber leather armrest cover. Designed for comfort, it features thick memory foam padding to relieve driving fatigue and a soft, skin-friendly surface that resists scratches and wear. The upgraded side storage pockets offer convenient space for phones, keys, or small essentials. Its elastic band and anti-slip dots ensure a secure, non-damaging fit on most vehicles. Available in 5 stylish colors, this cover blends practicality with aesthetics. This universal car hook is designed to hang essentials like bags, groceries, or clothing securely on your vehicle's backseat headrest. Made with stainless steel and soft microfiber padding, it prevents scratches while offering a sturdy grip. Easy to install without tools, it fits most headrest posts and keeps items organized during commutes or road trips. Compact yet durable, it's ideal for daily use and enhances in-car convenience, perfect for families or travelers needing extra storage space. This Skull Decor car air freshener vent clip adds a bold Gothic vibe to your vehicle's interior. Designed with a striking skull motif, it doubles as a stylish accessory and a functional air freshener, ideal for Halloween, themed events, or year-round edgy decor. Simply clip it onto your car's air vent to release a subtle, pleasant fragrance while showcasing its unique aesthetic. Made for easy installation, it fits most standard vents and combines durable materials with lightweight construction. Perfect for truck or car owners seeking to personalize their space with a touch of dark elegance. The Sminky Kick mats with organizer are designed to protect your car's back seat from dirt, mud, and scuff marks. Measuring 24 inches by 16.5 inches, they offer 15% more coverage than other brands. The double-layered fabric ensures durability and easy cleaning. 2 mesh pockets provide convenient storage for small items. These kick mats are compatible with most vehicles, including cars, SUVs, trucks, and minivans. They are easy to install with adjustable straps and buckles. Ideal for families with children or pets, they help maintain a clean and organized vehicle interior. The Liv-T Blind Spot Mirror is a frameless convex mirror designed to enhance driving safety by eliminating blind spots. Its high-definition glass provides a clear, wide-angle view, making it easier to change lanes and pass other vehicles. The mirror features a 360-degree adjustable swivel mounting bracket for easy installation and optimal positioning. Suitable for cars, vans, SUVs, and trucks, it is a practical addition to any vehicle. This versatile rocker switch set is designed for both household appliances and automotive marine use. Featuring a simple on-off design, each 20mm switch is compact and easy to install with snap-in mounting. Rated for 12 volts, DC/20 amps, or 125 volts, AC/10 amps, it's durable for applications like car dashboards, boats, or small electronics. The package includes 5 switches and pre-wired connectors for hassle-free setup. Waterproof and built with a latching mechanism, it ensures reliable performance in various environments. The Youngfly Mini Car Dashboard Clock is a compact battery-operated digital clock designed for easy installation on car or truck dashboards. Featuring a self-adhesive bracket, it sticks securely to most surfaces without tools. Its jumbo LED display ensures clear visibility of time, even in bright conditions, and the simple interface makes it user-friendly. Ideal for vehicles lacking built-in clocks, this lightweight accessory adds convenience with minimal setup. Upgrade your car interior with these Zacalac LED dome light bulbs. This pack of 6 bulbs is designed for easy installation in dome, map, or door lights, giving your vehicle a bright and modern look. With a diameter of 1.22 inches and an output of 400 lumens, they deliver clear, energy-efficient light for a safer, more comfortable ride. The upgraded design offers long-lasting performance and a consistent glow, making them a perfect replacement for old or dim bulbs. Enjoy an enhanced driving experience with improved interior visibility using these extremely bright and reliable LED lights. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting new products from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to never miss our latest videos. See you soon!